guys, my name is Daisy. At this video today, we're just going to discuss what's going to be in the 9 to 1 GCSE Edexcel Foundation paper spec. I'm going to be going through basically every topic. Not in detail, we're just going to tell you the percentage bounds at the end of the video. There will be a picture and you can take notes, take screenshots, and I'm going to begin the video. Thank you. So let's start. Okay. So this first topic I'm going to be talking about is numbers. Okay, anytime we you see the topic numbers, people see it as easy. And it's I guess it's just something to do with 2 plus 2, it's addition. Yeah, okay, yes, it is that. But for some reason most people lose marks from there. And they're simple marks, that's the thing. And that's why I feel like I should put it's a topic that needs to be discussed, especially. At least it's just really to actually even get high marks in this topic is you just need to practice various questions, like check your answers. It's like the top of the paper type of questions. So I guess you can't ignore this topic as it says, like it's 22 to 28%, literally up to it's almost up to a third of your paper, which that's really high. That's really high. So getting at least practicing this would be very crucial for you to pass. Okay, next topic. This one, yeah, I know everybody doesn't read. I'm not gonna say everybody, like most people tend to hate algebra, which I don't really blame them, but trust me, if you keep on practicing it, you will love it. Like algebra is just a really beautiful topic. Like especially if you solve it, it's just so satisfying. Um, it's just like algebra is just one of those topics that are just really important because they interlink into different topics of maths, like something like geometry or numbers, anything. Algebra can incorporate into anything, and it's just a very flexible topic. So it's really crucial to know. So it's in around that 17, 23% bound, so almost up to a fourth of the paper, which that's considerably really high. So I feel like that's a really important topic for you to, I guess, pay attention to. Next topic is going to be ratios, proportion, and rates of change. Ooh, that really going over the board. So this topic is also a really crucial part of the paper. So it has the same percentage bound as numbers, 22 to 28%, so almost a third of the paper as well, which that's quite insane. And this is most people struggle with this topic, and that's because they don't practice enough of it, because they think, okay, they just rather avoid ratios because nobody likes ratios. Nobody likes weird looking fractions or proportions. It's just not nice for the eye. Like, so you just gotta keep on practicing to start getting used to it, and trust me, you'll find that topic really manageable. So important topics: numbers, ratios, and this one is just very important because it'll just interlink into every question. You master algebra, you master maths. Okay, so the rest of the topics. So the last two is going to be geometry and measures. Okay, so that's basically around the 12 and 18% bound. So that's the amount of weight it carries in the paper. Yeah, geometry is just one of those topics you just have to also practice, because like geometry is actually it's most likely to be in the back of the paper, if I'm not gonna lie. Especially in GCSE maths, foundation theory, even higher, but it usually comes up. It usually comes up as a context question. So they would probably put something like, I don't know, John poured a gallon of water inside like a glass cube or something like that. Like that's most likely to come down to the context question. So I suggest you actually use like get a bunch of exam questions and practice on that. And for measurables, it's just measurements, which, using your ruler, mostly maybe something to do with like enlargement, scale, and stuff. And next, statistics and probability. So, stats and probability. Okay, that's the same. It's the 12 to 18%. This topic is not really. Yeah, this topic is just really, you have to actually practice on this one. It's it's just one of those topics that comes out of the blue. Like usually people don't. They usually ignore it. They don't think it's that as valuable as other topics. You won't be able. It's not. I'm not going to say you're not going to be able to pass, but get those extra few marks. That's it for today. So the next video will be, we're gonna be going into in depth with numbers. We're gonna be talking about the spec. We're not gonna really talk about the spec. We're gonna actually start the spec. So the GCSE 1 to 9 spec. You will be able to see the specific details of what the examiner basically writes down, and that's basically telling you what the examiner is going to test you on. Other than that, I'll see you with the next video, numbers.